Hey, what's going on, guys? I got this new dashboard here for a 03 to 06 Silverado. I'm gonna be changing it out on the truck. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up right now. I'm gonna give it a wash so I can get it all nice and clean. The one that I have currently in the truck cracked in 3 different places. It's pretty hot this summer, so it wasn't able to withstand the heat. But this is what it's looking like. Cracked there, cracked inside of there, down there as well. So I'm just gonna be replacing the skin on this dashboard. So I'm gonna do the how-to steps on this, or the step-by-step. Probably do it in a time-lapse footage, but it should be a pretty easy swap, 1 for 1. This one doesn't appear to have any cracks. The junkyard, they cracked the tabs that go on the inside. So I'm probably gonna have to rig that up. I won't be using none of this. I'll probably post this up for sale and these other parts. These probably won't do nothing, but I'll probably throw that up for sale. Let's see what it looks like afterwards. Here's my original one. That sucker snapped right in half when I undid it. So, but nonetheless, it's in here. Feels pretty solid. It's a little dirty. I'll have to. I washed it, but I'm gonna have to get some interior clean and get it real good. But overall, I'm happy with it. So those clip. It's supposed to be connected to the dash. The dash comes through here. I'll put a double-sided sticky, and then this wedges down on the front, all the way down the front like that. Give it a little walk around to the truck real quick. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Not much of a how-to, but get the idea of what it is, so it should help you out.